Hello there everyone, how are you doing on this wonderful day? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own voice actor demo reel in openshot video editor. It's actually a lot simpler than most people make it out to be with this kind of method. Might be a little bit lower quality than most professional things, but it's a good way to get you started in the voice acting industry. Not gonna lie. Now, if you enjoy this kind of content, remember to like, subscribe, maybe leave a comment and feedback on this video. And without further ado, let's get started. First, click on the green plus button. Add in a background. In my case, it's a castle. See? And then drag it down over here. Another row down. Next, get the audio file you pre-recorded your demo reel in. See? Put it over here. Doesn't need to be visible yet. Next, right-click the demo reel. Right-click the waveform, click yes, then it's blue to start with, correct? Well, if you want to change that, double-click this, go to red, and then add to the pick screen color, and then click red. Okay, and then take a look. Are you sure this is the path you want to take? This is my demo reel that I'm remaking to show you this, by the way. Okay. In any case, you see the waveform had moved. Next, grab yourself some transparent art or otherwise that you had made. Like for example, I have this piece of art. Drag that above the audio on the overlay area. Go to location X over here. Slide it to the side. And let's say you have another pic. Put that in there as well. Okay, there it is. Now, if you run out of room towards the top, you go down one more round. Now, that you have this second picture, makes it more appealing as well. Go to location X and do the complete opposite direction that you did for the other one. Okay? And now, leave some room in the middle for adding, what's it called later? Contact information on the demo reel and a name and all that. It's fairly important. But for now, we have the bare basics. Now let's look at our fruits of our labor. Are you sure this is the path you want to take? It may not end pretty, and you may end up with a bad ending. See, the waveform is moving. Now, to add some spice to this, let me pull up my music I had pre-made by myself. I make music for this. Now, I recommend you, if you made it straight away and didn't do any further editing, go to volume and reduce it down to, go to entire clip, go down to 30%. Now, let's take a look at this time. Are you sure this is the path you want to take? It may not end pretty, and you may end up with a bad ending. Honestly, you're... See, it's sounding pretty good now. And that's how you make it. And then you go to the red button over here. Title your project, select the place you want to put it for future reference. In any case, anywho, you format it as an MP4 over here and put it where you want, and then you have your own demo reel video ready for Twitter. Thank you for joining, and remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.